Okay, let's convert 650 millimeters of mercury to atmospheres. Here's how we do it. So you need to know that 1 atmosphere, that's equal to 760 millimeters of mercury. So you memorize that, or you could look it up. What that means is we can convert our 650 millimeters of mercury to atmospheres by multiplying by this conversion factor. So we're going to multiply by, we need to cancel out the millimeters of mercury here. So let's put the 760 on the bottom here in the denominator. That way when we multiply, this will cancel out. That means we'll put the 1 atmosphere on the top. And now when we do the math, you can see millimeters of mercury, that cancels out. So essentially we divide 650 by 760. That gives us 0.85526. Let's just call it 0.855 atmospheres. That's what we were left with here in our units, so we know we did it right. This is Dr. B, converting 650 millimeters of mercury to atmospheres. Thanks for watching.